Hello, my good friends out there. You are welcome to my account. I remain Dr. D.I. June, your lecturer on chemistry on social media, as usual. My last lecture was on the origin of crude oil and natural gas. But right away, we will talk about refining of crude oil. Refining of crude oil. This refining of crude oil can also be captioned fractional distillation of crude oil. So you can put it as a topic, either refining of crude oil or fractional distillation of crude oil. Now, it all involves how this crude oil as a mixture of gases, liquid, solid hydrocarbons, as we said before, that before this liquid will be made in such a way that human beings like us, those who have cars and others, can make use of it. It all involves the process of what? Refining. Now, the main operations of refining crude oil are into three sections. One, separation. Two, purification. And three, conversion. If you do remember what we said before, that petroleum also contains some contaminants, which we call impurities, like sulfur, nitrogen, oxygen, and some other ones before. So for this liquid to be made in such a way that vehicles can use it, it must undergo some processes under this fractional distillation. And we have separation, purification, and conversion. So crude oil is not a single compound, it's not a single substance. In other words, there are so many things that make up this crude oil. So it is a very complex mixture of hydrocarbons. And so it is so valuable that people call it what? The black gold. Gold itself is not black in color naturally, but because of the significance, the importance, the valuability of crude oil, it is called black gold. This is just to justify its true worth. Crude oil must undergo fractional distillation first. In this process, the oil is separated into different portions, which we call fractions. Then each fraction, which contains several compounds, will fall within a certain boiling point range. See now, these substances that are in the crude oil, whether they are liquids or gases or solids, they have varying boiling points. So the fractionating tower is made in such a way that when this substance is put inside it and heat is applied, as the temperature rises to a certain level, those that can easily melt and begin to vapor will come out through condensation. So this is the process. Then these fractions can then be differentiated from one another, either by different volatility, or by the odor, or by the color, or sometimes by the texture and their relative ease of ignition and burning. So this is the process of refining crude oil. So like it, share this video, comment, and also subscribe to my YouTube